Already 500 of these
Where
are
you want me
gone,
to go?
and I need to stand in the back because I'm tall.
We're dancing.
When I was in school, they lined us up for pictures according to height. I was always last.
And I was first.
And we shared combs. What?
Yes, I remember that.
Remember that?
Yes. And they would put it in the blue stuff that was supposed to clean it. Remember that? Yeah, okay.
All it did was make your hair smell funny and turn
Memories.
blue. All right, memories.
Oh, towels.
Like the corners of my mind. Hey, this is fantastic because you're going to get, is it
6?
4 of the printed? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. It should be 6.
4 printed and 2 of the white.
Oh, 4 printed. All right. Oh, here's the 4th one. There
It was hiding.
it was stuck together.
Look, we have Doodle Doo. This is the first time you're seeing Doodle Doo in the show.
Red doodle,
Doodle-doo!
and then you get red and white waffle striped towels.
Exactly.
2 of those
Yes.
and 4 of the prints.
Yes, and notice on the prints we did the quadrifoil in the rooster, and then we did like a damask rooster.
So cute.
Right?
This is red doodle doo. This is confetti. Very popular.
And confetti, we did the purple stripe on the waffle towel, so
waffle
you'll start to
towels.
see how they coordinate.
Then in Paulfetti,
I mean, come
which is
on.
not going to last, there's the red stripe waffle towels that go with the Paulfetti. And Paulfetti is already most popular. Here's blue. This is called 400 left in the blue.
Snowflake.
Snowflake.
And that has the gray stripe that you see
there's
there.
the gray stripe.
I love all winter long for those. That's what I love.
All winter. Then we've got poinsettia, and the poinsettia has the green stripe towels. Here's the red, what Tara calls classic because it has old world and floral lace. 300, and then that has the red stripe towels. And then
look
finally
at
we have it
this.
for you in winter whimsy.
Which are also the Merry Chefs, by the way. So just so you know, when you get them home, they have all the cute little chef hats on them. And then look what we were able to do. We did a little red, white, and green.
You know what this would be cute for? Bar towels.
Yes.
Over on the bar, on
Right.
the wet bar, on the
how
area
large
where you're
these are.
serving drinks, all that. And look how big, I don't, you all can't see
Here,
this
you want
because.
to hold the
hang on.
corner? Yeah,
Let me just hold this up.
that'd be great.
Look how big one towel is.
Yes.
What's the size on these?
They're large.
Does my card say?
Yes, I hope so. I'm looking. 20 by 30. That's what I thought.
This is 20 by 30, all
Yep.
thirsty cotton.
Yes, exactly. And then, of course, you have the waffle.
Same
so
size.
Same size, exactly. So what I love about this is that you can coordinate them. If you didn't want to be like matchy-matchy, you can do that with, of course, the stripe. Now, what I love about the waffle, these are super absorbent. With the cotton, they're absorbent, but they're mainly decorative. So what's nice about this, like we were saying, line it in your bread basket, put it around your champagne bottle.
Line it in the bread basket.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
Because we never think of what we're going to line the bread basket with.
Right.
That old ratty
Right.
kitchen towel that we use to
Right.
dry the dishes? No.
Right. Nope.
No. You want something holiday and
Yes.
fun.
Holiday and fun, and I love that you can coordinate a little bit here, right? You're getting the stripe, which is really fun and unexpected with that great waffle, and then it coordinates and ties in. Now you have fashion, right, in your towels, because if I'm going to ask you to keep them out, they got to look cute and
Maybe
be beautiful.
you run a dog or kitty cat rescue
Okay.
and you have Paulfetti.
I love that.
Or maybe you just love dogs and cats and you've got Paulfetti.
Or any
Or
animal.
the poinsettia, or any animal, right?
Right.
And this is the kind of thing, and I know you've heard me say this before, but nobody goes out to the store and says, I need to pick up holiday towels today. Because we just don't think about it.
Right.
We don't think about it, we wouldn't know where to go find them.
Right.
And even if you could find them, you happen upon things like this, right?
Exactly.
Here we're giving you an opportunity to think ahead to what you need
Right.
and order what you want.
That's right. And we've never done, do you notice that I'm holding the traditional whimsy, David's holding the Merry Chef. So in your whimsy, you're going to get 2 different styles in there as well. And these are those pieces that finish off a home. Whether you're putting it in your kitchen, these would be cute in your powder room. Like these
love the
aren't
red
just
and
meant,
green.
isn't that fun? These aren't just meant, of course, for your kitchen, although they're great. This is the first time we've ever done 100% cotton towels. It's a huge ask. A lot of times we do microfiber. These are going to be super thirsty in your waffle print. These are going to be that gorgeous, stiffer, decorative towel that you can coordinate back.
400
Look how that all
left in
pops.
Winter Whimsy.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
400 left in
Wow.
Winter Whimsy. You know
And we
what the
did
most limited
Paulfetti.
is? Can you guess which is the
Paulfetti.
most
Are you going to tell me Paulfetti?
Paulfetti.
Can we show? Can we open one of
I
them?
have 150 in the Paulfetti.
Yeah.
Let me
yeah.
grab the,
okay, look at
waffle
this.
weave.
So we have the Paulfetti. If you've never seen our Paulfetti before, it's all little hearts, red and black, with all of our sweet
And
little
you
paws.
get the red stripe.
How
that goes
fun
with
is
it.
this?
How lovely.
Look at next to David. Like, look at how sweet that is. And this is what, again, puts the exclamation point when you're decorating. And like you said, the things you don't even think about. I need towels.
Who's going to go to the store and buy dish towels? Now, where do they sell dish towels?
I don't know.
No idea.
Online, maybe?
Yeah, maybe if you're lucky. And then
Not
it's
like
one of
this.
those catch as catch can kind of things. You're sitting at home right now. It is 11:28 at night, and you may be propped up in bed, and you're thinking, I could use those.
Yeah.
I don't have anything like them.
Nope.
When they get dirty, because you know the rolls have a little butter on them.
I hope so.
Yeah, me too.
I mean,
Did you see those loaves we had
are you
from
Jimmy the Baker? I ate one. I mean, I had the distinct pleasure of being here
dip
early.
It in some butter?
No one offered me butter, but I ate it plain and it was
You can
delicious.
dip them in butter.
Butter. Butter.
Oh, so good. When these get dirty, is my point. You can throw these in the washing machine.
Yes, you can.
And the dryer.
And the dryer.
And it's perfectly easy to take care of. I need to let you know that we are getting limited with over 3,000 now ordered.
Wow, thank you, everybody.
Paul Fetty just sold out.
So here's the deal. When you are washing them, guys, wash them with like-kind colors. Yes, please. Wash them with like-kind colors because they are. There's a ton of color saturated within here.
To wash them in cold. Yes?
In cold, for sure.
With like colors, Tara
And
mentioned.
can we talk about Doodle Doo really quick? Uh-oh. Did we just lose?
Winter Whimsy just sold out.
Uh-oh.
And you know what the next one to go is?
Snowflake?
Snowflake.
Look at me! Thanks, Bri. I might have had a little help from heaven.
Did he get in your ear?
I mean, he might have just mentioned it.
You know, Santa's watching, Brian.
Look. So
And,
can we
he sees
brag
you
on
when you're
this?
sleeping.
Can we brag on this? Look at how fun the snowflake is, and this was what I love, right? This is all season long, right? Not just a holiday towel. And layering this in with all of those grays, absolutely beautiful. And then the Doodle Doo. Rooster, good luck in your kitchen. If you're thinking about gifting these, putting these in a little package.
It's so hot outside, I'm
Look at
dreaming
that.
of snow.
You're dreaming.
I think I dreamt of a slow snowstorm last night. I think I did.
You did?
Because I woke up this morning thinking it was snowed outside, and then I looked out the window and it was hot as fire. And so I
And you
thought to myself,
went back to bed.
I'm going to turn the fan back on and go back to bed. Well, I did wake up at 5 in the morning.
Did you?
Yeah. So this
Early.
is fantastic. What we don't want you to do is miss out on this opportunity. I'm still holding the gray. You have the confetti.
And the look with the little purple stripe.
I love what you just
So
did there.
pretty. Yeah. Well, that's again
those.
that ability that's so well made, so perfectly crafted, stitched around the edges, so bound, which is beautiful. And then you don't no muss, no fuss.
We are last call
Wow.
in Snowflake,
Whoa.
and we're last call in poinsettia.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
And we're getting limited in Doodle
Doodle
Red.
Doo. Yes.
These are going quickly, and when they're gone for good.
We're not doing them
I want
again.
you to think ahead of your holiday eating and merrymaking, and what you're going to need to make your experience complete.
You're absolutely right. Spoon rests, towels, like aprons. We kind of really thought of everything.
So fantastic. Oh, we're doing mugs?
And we're clapping.
All right, I have about 1,700 cards here. Let's